Good morning, World Wide Web. Pirate Bully here. Today's objective, Buddha Mountain. Yeah, I never heard or seen anything about Buddha Mountains. This is a new one for me. But it's supposed to be half an hour drive south of Pattaya. So yeah, I think we're gonna go there today to see if it deserves its name, mountain. But yeah, I never heard of it. Never seen it, no taxi driver, no tourist agency, no nothing has ever told me about something called Buddha Mountain. But a couple of weeks ago I saw it in some kind of advert on Facebook. So yeah, I'm just next to it, so why not go look? So yeah, come along. Just gonna need some gas for the motorbike and some gas for me, and then we'll be on our way. Yeah. I'm full, the bike's full, everything's full, so let's go down Sukhumvit Road, and we have to hit some kind of road called 1003, but we're gonna see where we go, so come along. pretty sure we made it. Now I'm gonna get some water, as always, and then I'm gonna find a way into this. Hot. I chose the watermelon instead of water. This is good, except for all the tourists. But yeah, that's how it is. But I think this deserves the name mountain. God damn it! Just a moment.
进福祥站哈，
福祥全部照完，但是每人照半截就行，再扯一点，不要照这。
准备好哈，可以哈。
那我觉得你们还集中一点，还集中一点。哎，
福祥站嘛。
你要怎么样？
นี่คุณตุ๊กอลังจานซีก Ayo najis. Asik. Foto dong. Guys, lagi dong.
Yeah, big Buddha mountain. Okay, I give them that. It's big Buddha mountain. Oh, Buddha mountain. But yeah, it's Buddha mountain. So, been there, done that. Let's see if the dog wants to say hello. I'm hot and hungry again, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. Yeah, and then drive back home. I saw a couple of spots on the way up here I want to investigate. So yeah, this movie is not over. Quite busy place. Maybe I should have gone here early in the morning, but that's how it is with everything. The early bird gets the worm. Yeah. But nice place. Next up is gonna be yeah, I saw a lot of sculptures and stuff, so yeah. idea what this is. But maybe it's something that's not open yet. But god damn it, look at that dragon. Have to get a closer look.
Hey! 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 Yeah, hey! Hey! Ah, good dog. Yeah, good boy, good girl, whatever the fuck you are. Yeah. Oh. Hot today. Maybe I can find. Maybe I have some food for you. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah. You got no private space, so I can see. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. For you? Here? Get some more. Yeah. Synthetic shit. But it's for you. Yeah. Yeah, good. That is just amazing. I love that. Wasn't so bad after all. I don't know if it's gonna be a tourist attraction or something. Maybe a monastery, church-like thing. Whoa, look at that, those details. I'm gonna come back here in a few months. But I saw something else. A big turtle. Yeah. Good boy. Got myself a friend. I think she's gonna get the rest of that dog food. That is one big turtle. And yeah, it's definitely a monster. Not a tourist attraction. So, I had to see it. So, now we go home. You want the rest? Huh? Ah, packet. Yeah, yeah. You want this? Yeah, for you. Yeah, Anna. Oh, young boy. Hey, say hello. Hey, Fleabag. I'm gonna call you Fleabag. Yeah. Yeah, you good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yep. Let's go home and jump in the pool. Well done.